Hey guys, this is the Dark Preacher, and welcome back to the Age of Engineering. So, since last time, I have moved a few things. If you'll notice, my ore washing plant's gone. Where did it go? I'll tell you. It went down here. I now have all this set up, and I've replaced a good portion of these conduits with dense ME conduits. Uranium goes in here. The crushed uranium ore goes into the wash plant. Thermal centrifuge gets the purified crushed uranium. And with a little bit of auto crafting, the fluid solid canning machine makes nuclear fuel for me. Currently I am out of iron plates. I need to make more. Another thing that I need to get done is I need to get a couple more metal formers up and running. Because actually no, I don't need a metal former. I just need to get something set up with this block cutting machine. How I'm going to do that, I am not certain. I might move it somewhere. But, yeah. I'm starting on getting everything else set up for auto crafting. One thing that I wanted to do was start something with advanced rocketry, and that would be the... Well, first off, saw blade assembly. I need iron plates for that. That's okay. I'll just come over here. And we will grab a couple stacks of iron. Make some iron plates. Right? Import bus is fine. Let me see how. Right now we'll take that out. And we'll put these in here. And this will work. I'll make the iron plates I need. This is still getting things for my quarry. I'm amazed my quarry is still running at this point. And also, I'm getting things from my void ore miner. But every now and then I get a little something from my quarry. Which I need to go check on to make sure it's done. So let's go do that real quick. That won't take long. Yep. Especially with as fast as I run now. Alright. Let's see here. Are you done? No, you are not done. You are nowhere near being done. Okay, that's fine. I have some advanced photovoltaic cells out here helping the power of this quarry. Let's see, how are my bees doing? Nice. And my Ender drones and Ender queens are doing pretty good. So, set up. And I set up a special waypoint for it. Oh, home. Bee. Wintry bee. As point of fact. Oh, and it just ticked over to a new, yeah. I'm getting frozen combs. Those I need because I'm going to need icy shards eventually. I think one thing that I really need to do... There we go. Let's get some more automation going. Oh, speaking of more automation, I have found that this is a lot faster system for making steel than anything else I have. It makes IC2 steel, but that ore dictionaries. But the other kind of steel I had. So, plenty of steel. I get like 9 stacks each of coal and iron ingots. Toss them in there. So, let's see here. It goes pretty fast, too. I have an octa-core processor, a DDR4 memory module, and a network card. And that lets me set which side is what. And I've got this set up for the iron to come in. I've got this set up for the coal to come in once it's melted down. This all turns into steel. And then that goes into here to the casting table and makes ingots. I could set it up to make blocks, but eventually I know I will end up getting a partial block and it'll get stuck. And I won't have a way of fixing that. So I'm just sticking with the ingots. Which is fine. I just load it up with a whole bunch and away I go. Let's see, what else? What else have we done down there? This is all automated. Got the ME interface keeping a constant stock of quad fuel rods. Because it knows the recipe for those now. And this keeps stocked. And every time one of these runs out, it gets replaced. So that's pretty cool. Constant power all the time. I've got this up and running and working. Let's see. Yeah, there's the patterns for those. Anything else that I've done? Not really. Well, let's start getting to work on the advanced rocketry stuff. So, add rocket. Because I want to make the saw blade assembly first. And then there's the saw blade assembly I need. And I've got to go put down the pattern for this because I think, yeah, hit reset. And whoop, there we go. Cutting machine, input hatch, motor, output hatch, power input plug. Okay. So, saw blade. I need a motor, I need an input and output hatch, and the cutting machine itself, as well as a power input plug. So, add rocketry, and then I need. That's a rocket unloader. That's a rocket loader. Fluid loader. Fluid loader. Need the cutting machine, which means I need steel gears. Okay. Well, let's leave that as it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That should do it. Yeah. Let me see here. Where did else go? There we are. Which one are you? You are the plates. You are the gears. And just wait a moment. 2 steel gears. There we go. And yep, back to the workshop. And use. So a cutting machine. I need one of these. For the cutting machine, I need 1, 2 for the power input, the output, and the, yeah. Okay, cool. Let's see here. Use And I need a user interface. That can go away. Oops. Control circuit board, please. I don't have any of that. Okay. 1, 2, 3. And let's go down to this carpenter. I need to get this set up as well. 1, 2, 3. And then I need that. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to get this set up so that way it's constantly making those or something. Alright, and use. I need 4 copper dust. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take out the ejector, put in the copper, take out the copper, put the ejector back in. Simple as that. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's a control circuit board. Good. And then we got the gold dust. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 gold dust. Thank you very much. Okay, and then we need 2 obsidian and steel plates. And do I? Yes, I do. Cutting machine. Perfect. Okay, and I need 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. Power input plug. Observatory, satellite bay. Where's my input and outputs? Inputs, outputs. Da, da, da. There we go. Input hatch. Output hatch. Ooh. Sometimes I run too fast for my own good. Alright. Cutting machine. Output, input. Input goes here. Output goes here. Power plug goes here. And then I just need a motor. So, need a motor. And that. Oh, I need copper coils. Copper coil block. One of those. Oh, no, scratch that. 2 of those. Thank you. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rats. Any more? Copper, 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 copper. There we go. Well, you sure are taking a while, huh? You know what? I got plenty of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take these overclocker upgrades and put them in here. Oops. No. Extruding, please. Thank you. Probably need those a little later, but oh well. Oh, since that's in extruding mode, I suppose I could put that back. And then coil recipe 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There we go. 2 of these. 2 of those. And then 1 motor. And all I gotta do is go put this in the last spot, and I'll have a cutting machine that I just gotta hook up the power. Is that right? I don't feel like that's right. I don't feel like that's right either. There we go. That should make a cutting machine. Yes. Alright, so back to the workshop, get some conduits. 7? I hope 7 will work. Hope 7's enough. Let me see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Definitely not enough. 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I didn't think so. So, here we go. Conduit. Got a bunch of these. Oh, I need more of that. Yeah. That's okay. I think I was making some more. No. Yes. Back to the workshop. 1, 2. And a stack of those will help. I love that recipe. It's just a simple conversion, but it works. Power input plug. Machine. Cutting machine on. And now, silicon. Got some of that. It's crystallizer? Crystallizer. I need a crystallizer as well. Well, 1, 2. Make those. And might as well make a few of those. Let's see. Crystallizer. Crystallizer? Crystallizer? Thank you. Crystallizer. Alright. Seeing as how all these advanced rocketry buildings stuff's going to be over here. How big is the crystallizer? Oh, okay. That is here? No. Too close. Here. There we go. And then the crucibles. That's all I need. Quartz crucibles. Copper coils. Power input plug. Input hatch, output hatch, crystallizer. Okay. That seems simple enough. That will work. And then coils. I need more of these. Definitely gonna need more of those. Let's see here. Doop. Do I have those in my bag, perhaps? Yes, I do. Alright. Let's make as many of those as we can. And I need stick. And I need that. Let's make a bit of those. And this. 1, 2. And then go to here. I tell you, this has really sped up my crafting times. Because I don't have as long to wait for things. Alright, we got those. Need 1, 2, 3, 4 of those, but I only have one because I need more of this. Redstone to the rescue. That. There we go. There we go. 2, 2, 3. There we go. And then power input plug. The crystallizer. Need another user interface. Oh, this, you know, all this crafting is a little tedious. I'm going to take a moment and finish up the crystallizer off camera, and I'll see you guys in just a second. Alright guys, I'm back, and got it finished. Ooh, now that is fancy. Look at that. Alright, let's hook this sucker up to some power. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. And for the crystallizer, we need to get some of that silicon stuff that this thing's been working on. And I've been having this thing run for quite a while, as you can tell. And what I need to do is I need to, let's try 8. 8. And turn that sucker on. Hey, there we go. Ooh. Alright, this is a heck of a lot faster than this arc furnace. Too bad I can't figure out a different way of making this stuff. And there's the crusher. Electric arc furnace. Alloy smelter, which turns silicon dust into this. Wait a minute. Silicon dust. Grinder. Oh, the Tech Reborn grinder, huh? I might be able to use that instead. That might be a little faster. But we take these. We put them in here. And they start getting us stuff that we need. Like... Come on now. Come on, you fancy things. Silicon wafers. Which can be used for microwave transmitters, composition sensors, mass detectors. But they can also be used in the precision assembler to make basic circuit plates, advanced circuit plates, biome changer. Ooh. That's fancy. Yeah, advanced circuits, warp cores, warp controllers, microwave receiver, ore scanner, orbital drill, space station assembler, and in the precision assembler we get the flight speed control upgrade, the bionic leg, padded landing boots, anti-fog visor, atmosphere analyzer, biome changer. Wow. Biome changer remote. So that's pretty cool. Let me see here. And we go back another one. And what does this get us? Tracking circuit in the precision assembler. And the cutting machine gets us basic circuits which we can use for satellite builder. Ooh, the electrolyzer. I'll need that eventually. Chemical reactor. Atmosphere detector. Yeah. We are starting to get into some stuff, folks. But unfortunately, that is it for this episode. I know. All that buildup got 2 machines built. Yeah. It takes a lot of crafting, folks. How are my levels looking? Getting a little low on power. Another thing I made off camera was this charge pad. And as you can see, it works. So, yeah. I think that's going to do it for me. So, as always, I'm the Dark Preacher. This is the Age of Engineering, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.